This is a 2003 Bourget FatDaddy. This is an absolutely beautiful custom motorcycle made by Bourget Bike Works down in Phoenix, Arizona. Bike has an incredible paint job on it. Black with kind of tribal graphics on it. The paint is in excellent condition. Most of the parts of this Bourget FatDaddy are made in-house with their own CNC machines. Excellent craftsmanship. This is not a kit bike. This is a very high-end custom that Bourget produces. As with all of their custom bikes, the oil is in the frame, which helps with cooling and also keeps the seat height really, really low because there's no oil bag. Another trademark of Bourget is the heavy-duty frame. This is a soft tail, so it does ride very, very nice. The engine is an S&S polished 113, a Super E-carb on it, 6-speed GEMS transmission with a BDL drive primary that is enclosed. The seat's in excellent condition. The pad comes off for the passenger. Backrest comes off with just 2 bolts. Has a 250 rear tire. Nice custom wheels, matching pulley. Because of the dry enclosed primary and the 6-speed GEMS transmission, this bike shifts very smooth. As you probably already know on your Harley, you shift it into gear and it goes clunk. This bike shifts like butter. It makes no noise, just pops into each gear with no sound. It's a real pleasure to ride. The ride's nice. We live here in the Ozarks. The roads are all twisty, and this bike handles them great. All custom controls and mirrors and grips and bars. The bike has 7,200 original miles on the odometer. The engine went through a complete top end and bottom end rebuild last year, and I've put probably 600, 700 break-in miles on it with about 3 different oil changes. Now the rebuild on the top end was new cylinders, new pistons, rings, connecting rods, wrist pins, new heads, which included the new valves and seals, springs, everything. The bottom end was a complete rebuild with all new Timken bearings. The cam was replaced with an S&S 600 cam. It's new lifters. This bike, now that it has a few miles on it, is running really, really strong. Nice custom forward controls. Those are stock Bourget Bike Works headers. you're in the market for an awesome looking custom bike that's actually rideable, take a good look at this 03 FatDaddy. It's got the looks, the chrome, great paint job, comfortable, set up for a passenger, brand new engine. You just can't go wrong with this bike. It handles, it has power, it has the looks. For information on how to put this beautiful 03 Bourget Bike Works FatDaddy in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. It can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.